Hello friends, this is Jeannie from Jeannie's Designs, and I wanted to show you a highlight of some of the things you can make out of the products in my shop. And sometimes I combine them to make things, but this right here is one of the main angels we make we don't do this heart, but we make this angel in my angel class. It's called Mixed Media Angel Class. It's $20. You get it in my Etsy shop, and then it tells you where to go on Facebook in a private group, and we do like 3 or 4 different angels. All right. Then here's some of my mixed media collage art kits, kind of an overview of those. And you can stitch them. You can make transfers. You can print them up and make cards. Just because it says mixed media collage art, there's lots. Oh, and here I collaged the mixed media face, and then I added one of my kindness cards to it. This is a little class I'm going to be doing soon, where you do a watercolor background and a transfer, and it's just a little mini class for $10 as soon as I can get that up. Here's this one done on a background. So it's endless what you can do. I have my phone closed to tell you the names. Jeannie's Girls. I have lots of those. And you can just make them and layer them. Cards, collage art. Here's my mixed media collage art with one of my girls printed actually on a sticker, layered on there. Then here's an angel made out of this little gal. You can print them up small and put them in sticker books, little metal books. I did them up small and made jewelry. I did my warrior girl up and layered her and soldered this box with her in there, always reminding me to be a warrior. See, you can even decorate candles with it. It's like endless. And then we have this mixed media that has these 2 different kinds of angels. Among us are our friends who know when to bring chocolate and tape, put us back together and make us happy with chocolate. And I decorated bags with this set. So there's that. And then I have card sets. This is a card set. You just get it, print it up, and cut it in half. And you have 2 different cards. They're blank. Use them for birthdays, get well, happy hellos, just about anything. And then there's this set, Be Who You Are. And that girl that's just cards. And then we have another set that has this faith angel and the friendship angel. And then we have the mega card kit that has 8 different cards. So there's thank you, you are loved, just a blank. You can use it for anything you want. Happy birthday. Strength. Oh, I love the glitter on that butterfly. Courage doesn't always roar. Sometimes courage is the quiet voice at the end of the day saying, I will try again tomorrow. Soul sisters, no matter how far apart we roam. Friends, a good friend doubles the joy and divides the pain. So that's in the big card kit. And these kits that you can do all this fun stuff with are all on my Etsy shop. I have Jeannie's Design Ideas on Facebook that you can, membership that you can join, It's free to join, and I try to add ideas in there. You can also, I have classes, more coming. Jeannie's Designs.teachable has one. I have one that's in a private Facebook group. You just sign up on Etsy, and there's more coming. Thanks, guys.